Okay. Today we're going to have some fun destroying an old microwave oven. I'm going to make a sandwich. Just stick it in there. Put some mayonnaise on there. Great Walmart Great Value ham. Hey, I didn't mean to do that. Trying to destroy a microwave, not make a mess.
Oh dear. Why?
At least not in here anyway.
No.
Okay, here's the ham. Cheese. Bologna. There's that.
Oh, that is so cute.
And some pickles. Now, let's go outside and put it in the microwave. Oh. Get over here! Get over here! That's for you, stuntman and neutral drop. We love you guys. You're funny. I'm dedicating that part to you. Okay. Let's see. Let's set this thing for 120 minutes. That's 2 hours, right?
Right.
Okay, start. What we're going to do is we're going to microwave this until it catches on fire. Okay, we're going to pause the video for now, and then we're going to come back when it starts smoking. We'll be right back.
All right. Till then, we'll be back.